G'day viewers, well, I got some more free stuff, but Mark will have the part out. Little parts off that. I got a SPC TAC from 2010, the end of the CRT era. It's got like an I don't know if you remember, I did a video a while ago putting this CRT in a neon sign transformer. Well, this is doing that same effect. It's got like an arcing in the tube, but there's no physically on the outside. It's like it's AC instead of DC, like it's running off a neon sign transformer. I'm getting that sort of thing with the colours going all over the screen when I turn this on. So it's possibly the flyback span on this. It's a TAC, made in China by TCL, Technology's Contribution to Landfill, so that stands for. Malaysian made flat screen CRT, junk, maker, you know what that is. Brand speakers, 8 ohm 5 watt. Not even very much use of dust accumulated on this thing. You can tell by the dust, it's had not much use because the high voltage attracts the dust from the corona. But it's absolutely clean, like, that's already buggered. Now, well, that's Chinese for you. Yeah, I think it's a flyback. I'll try and see if I can put a replacement one on there if I've got one. I'm pretty sure I have got one like that, just to see if I can fix it. If not, it's a parts TV. And I got another one. 2 TVs, a microwave and an IKEA cabinet, which is Mrs. is gonna love. This actual Sharp TV, however, been a bit weathered, but it works. Works quite well. It's a date code 1996. This is from Hitachi tube, which is a good tube, made in China. Made by Hitachi or SCG Hitachi Co. Limited China. All Japanese components on there. Marcom capacitors, Panasonic capacitors, a Red Series Nichicon, Panasonic resistors, and I think that's a Panasonic flyback transformer. Good quality, that's a Panasonic resistor. Quality stuff. I couldn't believe this. Assembled in Australia. No way. We were still assembling TVs up. I know we made TVs up until about 2003. Panasonic. As soon as the Panasonic Viera plasmas came out, yeah, that's when they stopped making them in Australia because it wasn't worth importing plasma TV parts and then slap them together in Australia. It's cheaper to import the whole damn thing in a shipping container from China. Yeah, the CRT era was pretty much there at the end in Australia, stopped assembling them. So this probably would have been assembled in the same factory the Panasonic TVs are assembled in, somewhere in Sydney. It's assembled in Australia by Sharp Australia. So there was a factory somewhere near Sydney that assembled CRT TVs right up until about, I think, 2003. So it's probably where this TV would have been assembled. This sort of came from Japan, this came from China. These are also the speakers are made by Sharp, which you don't see anymore nowadays. So the speakers and the circuit board would have come from Japan, the CRT would have come from China, in separate boxes and kit built by the TV technicians in Australia. Assembled in Australia. How good is that? I'll give it a bit of a clean up and keep this one, just because it's assembled in Australia. It's a good quality tube even though it's Chinese. As I said, it does work pretty good, so I'm going to clean all this up. It'll be a test TV for a beta machine. So I've got one beta machine already inside. I'll fix it all up, re-rubber renewed all the idlers, and I got it on my TV in there. I've only got one of these TVs because this modern flat panel crap doesn't show the do it justice because it's analog. It just tries to correct it. It's a digital picture, but it's not. It just picture goes in black and white and shows no signal. That's just how it is, analog stuff on this new TV crap. One of these older TVs is better. You will see the picture for what it really is. It does look better too, the beta videos, than on the flat panel crap. I got a dial in colour on these, but on the black on here, only black and white. So I've actually done some rubber renew. Did the belts, rubber renewed all the idlers, and that beta machine works good now. I found that while the picture wasn't working, there was a crack along the circuit board in that machine. Been repaired before, but it's been re-cracked, so I fixed all that up and it's working fine now. I have to clean all this muck off and just clean the cabinet. It's a bit sunburnt, but Oh well, she works alright. Anyway, let's get this all cleaned up and put it back together to be a good test TV. Along with my other two ones I've got, so I'm going to keep a few of the better ones of these TVs. So when I get my shed up, I'll probably make up a shelf for CRT TVs, and the crappiest of the crappy ones they'll have to be parted out. I might resell them. I think there's a couple of retro gaming people around here that actually still want these TVs, so I can get something for them at least. Yeah. Something like this is actually a bit of a quality set. Anyway, not bad for a freebie. Maybe enough for now. Thanks for watching.